everybody big pussy, Rose. You trouble everybody. You know why I go to blood clot Ivan the other day and tell him to fill out Ivan? Because Ivan enough to push no finger.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the no, play the song.
Me I sit down flat for my body ground for adjust when I come. No, I go done me, but me not care. I saw a post on TikTok where a female say if a boy can drive, come pick her up, no call her phone. So you mean for tell me say, for you there with a man, he have to drive. So you're not there with the man because you genuinely love him. You're there with him because of what he can bring to the table. You're there with him because of the fame and the fortune. You're there with him because he can par with you in a car front, and he can carry a party where you can cock up your foot on dashboard. And that's why you're there with him. You're not genuinely there with him because you love him. Boy, I'm telling you, that word I done, you know. And if you look a good woman, them will left out there, I go suffer and die answer, you know. I go suffer. When you don't fuck out to no days and make a rich man, they mock you out when I want to know. When you run going to church, Lord send me a good man. Which good man want to know? Which woman write it so I go pick you up them the time they when you not done fuck off you all around so. Suck off you all around so I make money man mock you out on a wife you know. Eh? Which woman write it so I go take you up? When you not done beat out to no mileage, run up, no value no left part you know. So rusty iron left in no pussy, he beat out and done out, he big and long done and come like it's something on the cow neck. Nothing no left in it at the time done a ball. Oh Lord, send me a good man. Good man where? Good man where? Which good man want to know? Which good man want to know them the time then? Who know only prove say, who know there with man genuinely from the heart, who know there with what they can bring comfort to the table. Them a love them nowadays and money love is like a gambling. Money for pussy. Boy, if you good man them out there, I'm sorry for you. You're rough. You're really rough. You're rough.
People, if you're humble man, you don't have them a bumper clad, no look good self. Don't shape good. Only if you humble at thyself, make your humbleness talk for you. Make people out of treat and say bad to bad. You not do Rose so because she not trouble people, but you trouble everybody big pussy Rose. You trouble everybody. You know why I go to blood clot Ivan the other day and tell him to fill out Ivan? Because Ivan enough to push no finger. Because she's just as bad. He might shape her right, but he's just as bad. So that's why I don't feel like she if they bring her down. But this bumbo clot or shit bag, me say, God, I want you to forgive me when I talk, you know. Because you know me just hurt. Treat people better. Treat people better. Favor blood clot for Gully Road. She's tired of bullying. Her jerks bully her first, so she not tired of him blood clot bully. But the people in where make sure the food up on your plate, them you tired of bully you. Oh, she don't tired of Drake's bullying her. Oh, you're not tired of Drake's a blood clot beat you down. Eh? But you come over here about blood clot people that bully you. Get away used to that big blood clot sour power. Fat girl and the mango. Fat girl and the pear. Fat girl and all life fruits in her garden. Big gal. Actually, you don't know say Drake's a try to set up your life, you hurry up and drop out left your money where you sit down and save. Eh? I all blood clot, man want to give all rice every 2 seconds. Give it man all of the fatty food them so you can flick. I get road Drake's want to get rid of you. I know it. Nah, stop give the fatty food them so you can hurry up and drop down. And that him I do. So you feel like Drake's love you. Girl, go find him man up in our heels or in a rate you. The man them who up in our heels who having farmers say having daughter they do and cook every now and again. Whether they are request you. I don't know all where how him kill his son. Eh? How him blood clot kill his son for go take all you boy my boy. But Rose, me I request you know. Request who? Better you go request some dead dog on the street. Better you go request all a whore on back road and tell her so watch your mama stay home and clean and cook. At least you will get a wife. Sit down in a blood clot and Shanta! Barber! Yeah, go up the road, go buy 2 boom. I want pack a cigarette or 6 cigarette. Girl, go find sit do it yourself. Improper faction rules, 100 over 1. 100 over half, cause you not even one down this blood class. Squeeze up like bun batty rose. You have it nice for one bring down people. You don't have not nice boy you. Your shape real true half. So that with that for one you can't win nothing. If you did have a nice attitude, maybe. Smoke like a chimney, that's why Akeem probably don't want to kiss him. Cause no matter you could have got a dentist go pick out the whole of your blood clot, yeah, you know. Could have pick out the whole of your eye. Rose go suck yourself with a big old ugly blood clot back. With a 3-ton back. See your fraction there, 100 over 0.5. You go around and I go like say you can blood but mislead. Mislead your pussy hole. Them a mislead you. For you hurry up and drop out. Go have some blood clot class, man, cause you're not in a class ill-shaped blood clot object. The mistake where God make a flash and turn when your head and give you too much up in your back. And you come back like you want to come argue people. You know if you did people like shit when you know blood clot look like nothing. Think like a shit. But true. So I want you to name some rice or tea and you come to your nose a little bit and sick too much. You're a little bit and sick too much but Miss Lee, you well want me Miss Lee at that I go mad you nasty blood clot I get him a flying for cocky and you not get none. All of you pop if you make you get your soul get wet and the series get more interested so the dog can make money. You is a nobody Rose, big man thing. So all you a flick and a puff and a go on. You is nobody girl. Mistake. Blood clot mixed fraction. One eye side and one up a top and 4 down a bottom. But who you? If you did have 4 down a bottom probably you'd work out as a fraction. But you have about 5 up a top and half down a bottom. Go up and play about. Hey my heart you know. So I only pull the window. Pull the blood clot window. Pull the window, dead dog. No you should not now come out like you want to condemn people like shit. And you went eat. Boy, driver! You want back the water there? Think like a shit. And them should have left you 2 whole of chair you take up on one plane. 2 chair. They should have double charge you. Don't shape like nothing boy you gone for the fucking seatbelt should have choke you. Cause me know a hand balance right that you get got Panama, you know. Hand balance right cause your breath of you stop for your seatbelt lock. And you come about blood clot good people. You think like Rose move up your blood clot nah no miggle ill blood clot shaped itself. Improper fraction, mixed fraction, no look good, no blood clot, have no good attitude. Mouth want wash out with all of them sour cigarette the way you bun sit down in a one corner. Go suck out yourself. And you can't give me no hype because I even like people. But me have to tell about your thing self. Your blood clot and work. Me say God a flashy blood clot potty. And John come call God. And God say, hey buddy. Say, I need you over here. And here God say, give me one moment. When the dog turn around and see when I flash, the dog, hey! Which kind of thing be this now? And he just pop 2 yai in your head and call it say you're done. Blood clot shit bag. Get away man. Find something do. Find something do. Sit down in your blood clot family and house and but me live in my family them place. The amount of money you make you should have a girl shan somewhere. And you go around and diss people every day. Time when I see fucking phone drop out a ring light and drop a ground. I want amount of garbage surround you. Because you're a shit pit. You ain't nobody for true. And you come around and come go like you want to style people. You ain't no blood clot look good. Girl with the blood clot 12 back and half a body. Suck your man go.
What's the thing?
0189. Alright. Yeah, Rose, you look a bit upset. A foreign delivery. Foreign delivery in I don't know what kind of shape you say you have, because you don't have no good shape.
Oi, the 16 turn on one at a time, you know? I would have to walk this up.
Bumbleclad.
That don't look like a police walk this up. Police man. Well, look like one man right there, so oh, me see my walk. Police don't. No, me
Over yard. Over yard. Bumbleclad. Go there, can't go there. You can't go there. Right for Caledonia Road, people. Bumbleclad. People. Shoot out.
I kill them now.
Sick, look.
See, Bumbleclad murder them on the field. Them a boy, they can't come out of this.
Come out of what? I dead, them a come out dead. Them a come out dead.
Them they put it there, come out dead. Yeah, come out dead.
Dead people.
They shouldn't fire. Them a come out dead. They shouldn't fire no bomb.
Put out a gun right now. Sick, lad. Bumbleclad. Yo.
Blood clash at the bus out the house. Out the house.
No go out there, no go out there. No go out there, no go out there. Bumbleclad. Bumbleclad live. Yo. Yo. Go through, Paul. Paul, go through. Bumbleclad.
Up there, the boy, them beat them. Go
Yo, live shootout, people. Live shootout. One Caledonia Road.
Slap in a while ago, you.
Look na slap, man. Look na connect, is it? What? Look na connect, that's I think. Bumbleclad. Daddy.
Boy, I tell you for them life done to bomb.
Yeah, man, their life done to them, man.
They get fucking.
Get it.
Somebody dead in that Bumbleclad. I tell you, somebody dead in
Bumbleclad. What is it?
Hey, you don't see what I shot them on the wall.
Ah, you don't see on the wall. On the wall, and them a fire back.
Them a fire back.
Look on the wall. Look on the door, so come off fire wall.